Today we adventure to Srebrenik. Today we're traveling by bus. Today is also the first time that I'm going on a bus here in Bosnia. Buses are very important to Bosnian infrastructure for two main reasons. First, it's cheaper to use a bus than it is to own a car, and more importantly, it keeps the environment clean. With the ownership of a car, you have to worry about how you would pay for fuel, how you're going to take care of maintenance, where you're going to park it, fees, registration, those kinds of things. With a bus, the only thing you have to pay for is a ticket. Today's ticket to Srebrenik only costs 2 marke and 50 pfennig. That's a lot cheaper than buying a car. Along with it being more affordable, we are also able to protect our environment. By taking more passengers with one vehicle, we create less emissions, which is better. With more people taking the bus, we were able to protect the environment and keep Bosnia so clean and beautiful for many years to come. And as an added bonus, when you're not sitting behind the wheel, you can look out the window and look at the beautiful homes that people have built over the years. After a quick pit stop to the city center, we make our way to the piazza. Once you get to the piazza, there's lots to see. There's clothes, electronics, trinkets, gadgets, and all sorts of things. Rather than talking and describing everything, I'll let the video speak for itself. And with that, today's adventure of the piazza ends. And now we go to Srebrenik to walk around the town, eat some food, and look at some sights. While in Srebrenik, we saw two really interesting cars. The first of the two cars is a red Volkswagen Golf Caravan. It's painted red and has interesting Coca-Cola decals. The second is a Shelby GT Mustang. This one is imported from Germany. This is the first time I'm seeing a Mustang like this here in Bosnia. After that, we make one small pit stop to a store before we head home. One thing that's interesting about stores here in Bosnia is that most of them are very small, but they make very efficient use of the space that they have. With our shopping done, now we can head home and enjoy the beautiful countrysides of Bosnia. And with that, we wrap up today's video. Let's take a look back at some of the things that we saw today. If you enjoyed, make sure you like and subscribe. As always, I'm Kenan Mustafic, and thank you for watching.